for my darling, while you war and several Geneviada and Boba and 7 years and Tiakoda as some from and one gymnast say a pie the that's a number from the Piat, yeah, you can take up a break. Nah, another day, a report for Father Tuja. As I say, edit and social media space, no, so and said, a Ghanaian actress, Roslyn in Giza. Wakoye adibia edisusu asopone ede aba eye wo kwankasa ne so na you say most of times no yade that was say ye celebrities most the man no wo ye into ejwede dey friend pimping say the fame wanting to woni go 40 tune say or come into contact with a conform woni tine no amani contact no say no woni obi a the young baby fiba is now introduce me to anyway na that is an introduction no they perform man perform me say what you say now oba na ma we me colleague and I said me contact again that is one J number no call no so the cat no ya send me e dem no so oba na wo no so cat why do be a wo na nanti and only pay na that day e dey say na kese e dey abrand Roslyn in Giza. Now according to a celebrity gossip blogger be or going by the hand of QT Jules or the same year to that says a baby business yamata say Roslyn Giza are introducing a family girl be almost very popular but because of situation now causes am within the 18 metro appointed we are going to introduce a girl in Jama Nigeria ni SK da mata say Kitawudi akoso wo muntem ama wo ba ni free Nigeria ebe biemu ewo ne bushefie no se na ye na dampa se ne nsem kitaye mu ni ye ni super ya wo da ne na kwase bi o ye bia no wo papa no eni wo mu na no nam so ama eye na bushafo no se wo mu ba de we de ara oni ni ma bi bi nkomo kakra de e ko de be nya no se ye de this kind of problem ya wo cha wo nten wo kan se difanity adona ama eye bushafo no locate eye Roslyn in Giza na just wo ma chere se be ya enka papa kura wo din ni ba omo ba no e recommend no wo mo enfre eye papa no ono Roslyn ni so papa na emre bushafo no wo mo tena na be biara wo de wo mo ba na adwen na fa just that be ene so wo no so na so ma no akwese dambo wo so no wo metimi aso ano na so akwese Roslyn Giza wo chia enche Abano I na been say onu ge sike bia obetimi ama na tete oba no yetimi edia pe ayam hwede ama no obetimi dia baba se wonu amu so ni efi eye bi krom Nigeria ho ede be bi mo Ghana ha asa afaka Ghana ade ko bi mo oba no bu fie ba de enu ne wontimi ede le bi fo ensem no se na esifa ba no emu do akasa na mepre making kan se na eye post no eba bonti kakra Eddie Achemna say and a blogger no Eddie Etuga say according to the family members who gave us the receipts, it was the first time Roslyn is hooking this girl up, but from our investigation, it is not even the 10th time. It's severally like it's a norm, especially for Roslyn's rich friends who are mostly Nigerians. Now, one day, somewhere last year, when the girl returned home from one of the usual hookups, after the total bargain, etc., in exchange for money, the girl sadly ran mad. Wapojam, Chidon Polo, started behaving abnormal, like mad as a man, and mentioning the man. Now, the family says they have been begging Roslyn to take them to this man in question, so they can beg him to undo whatever he has done to their daughter, since they suspect the man used the girl's brain for rituals, but Roslyn has refused, so now they are suspecting Roslyn has a hand in it. Even though we tried telling them that it could be a mere coincidence, they believe what they want to believe. And from our accurate and semi-shishimuno, Sister Rosie is in very hot soup. The matter self-tire us. I just said, I don't know. One more one more side be ababata just said the account be my just said Roslyn Giza you woni my Bible na say woni papa sike yin so mo accusing say wo no wookie abawe di man na say and some no go ba no say na editi fa say blame no accusation ni di bata wonti amana dan for back no so media no mu and also actress the bride baba aba bonti abekasa e dia fa no so dey be bata some no say Jesus, I can't hold it in. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. Far from the truth. Please investigate and find the truth. Whoever gave you this information, like shaking my head, mercy, Lord. I also the better said, these are not innocent of the issues, but still now, as square today, confirmation, any allegedly. Family now out so getting in contact with Cutie Juice no amane na so bi say ensem no ayomekre say na asem no esifatanti na tese wono so defend wo ba no nebusuafo no so nsem o kana tese ba tese Roslyn Giza no the quality de ba nya tese ampa say wono ena ehuki lady no apatisi ade akobie wo sa ensem na Ghana Hansen yeso mo say ye ka nya ne bebie Ewe baba say nye wuka bi o introduction madam funi say woni ne nti na ta say akoda ne abebu aboto nti enu nti no na chese obi mu obi wo man mu bi ma na because obi be bu obi ana obi be fe obi say o na dance na kwenta no introduction ne le ba obi say assemble be ka say wa pempia na nti amane na be so no so na nti no obi ni obi a ana obi ni obi na ma wonye ne nwa wo sa akwan so ana but in the end no I say one more celebrities there no and simply say no but one more than nti e ba kra ni e ka na I say asemo ka players I go see me that one wo mo abi I was say sumo wo mo pempe e ma ro wo mo e ba adi me iskafo no nso nya wo emfa so ebi but enso no afi na asase a breaking to Roslyn Giza wo react to the issue and say wo no so ba bonti abeka wo asem de buta for e be see say bia be pie mu no e na me de aso ni ti wo wo hwe wo mo dia never watch ever one as we are too much comment section. They give to the share video on all social media platforms. Follow Too Much GH or Instagram, Twitter, so at Too Much GH _ Facebook, Too Much GH. The number also in the mayor, it was a dish of the macron.